If you get this video to 25,000 views, I will buy this cosmetic. I will buy this one. This one. This one. The suitcase. Okay, let's get to the point of the video. Okay, for today's video, we're going to be building a car in Monkey Blocks. So let's head over to Monkey Blocks and start building a car. Okay, so I will show you all of the pieces that you need to build this car, and I'll try and make it as easy as possible. Start building a car. Okay, so you want to get one of these as like the wheel. Grab one of these and then attach it to the side like that. And then place it on the ground where you're building your car. And then grab one of these. And then grab one of these. Go over here. Put this on there. And then go back over here and grab another one. Put it back here. And then put this on it. Go over here, grab another one of these. Then go over here and then just put it on the bottom. And then you can put it in the middle. And now grab another one of these. Do the exact same thing for the other wheel. Do that. Then you can place the wheel. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing. Grab two of these. And then grab this. And then you can just slap this on there. And then put this on there. And now, if you placed it in the wrong spot, you can move it and stuff. Now we have part of the car with our wheels. So now, go over here, then grab one of these. And then go over here. Grab one of these right here, and then put this piece on it. Go over here, and you can place down your wheel. And then go over here, then get two of these like the other wheels. And then just place it right here. Grab one of these. And then put it there. You can move it back. Now you just want to do the exact same thing for the other side. But I'm gonna make the middle piece first, which you just do that so it has like a stud right there. Then you can just place it in the middle. Go over here and do the exact same thing for the other wheel, like that we did for the other wheels. Now we have this wheel, and we can put it right here. And now just go over here, grab this, and then slap it right there. It's a little offset, so we can fix that. There. Now we have like this part of our car. And then just go over here, grab like a bunch of these big pieces, and just keep doing that until you have like a bunch. And then you can do it on the other side, like do it a little bit on the other side. And then you can just start building around here. And if there's any gaps at the end, you can just easily like fill those in with more pieces. So the car is almost done. We just need some more pieces for the back. Also, it looks like I won't have to fill anything in with other pieces. Well, I might have to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Yeah. So you can just fill everything, like all the gaps up that you can't fill in, with like those and stuff, like just other pieces. Then for the steering wheel, go over here, take like 3 of these, and then take 2 of these, and then grab one of these and then put it right there. Yeah, right there. And then you can place this right here. And then now let's build the steering wheel. So I'm just gonna keep the steering wheel simple. You can kind of build it however you like, but I'm just gonna build it like this. And you can follow what I'm doing. Then you can just do that. And like fill in these gaps. So I'm gonna have to like do that. Now we have our steering wheel. Then you can just go over here, then stop it right there. Now we have our car, and you can build like seats or whatever for this. So I hope you liked this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video.